Due to traveling efficiently, just getting to your gate 10 minutes before they start boarding and no earlier.
Just past TSA, no cavity search, so far so good. Week is off to a great start.
You can never find somebody do it like me, but you'll never ever find somebody do it like me.
Yeah, flight leaves in an hour, extremely tired, excited to meet up with Jay and Baron. Gonna be a fun week,
Landed in the airport, Chicago, looking for Dakota. Get for my bags also.
Yeah, I'm not even filming you, man.
What's going on, man? How are you? Good, man. How are you?
Good, you ready? Then we go get Baron. I think he's ready with us.
Oh, yeah? What's going on, Baron? What's up, man? How you doing? I'm most excited to meet, I would say, either Andre or Hogue. I wish MP was coming. I know he's not, but Andre or Hogue.
Don't meet your heroes. What are you gonna give Andre shit about? Just him being alive?
This might be them.
Hey. Hello. Good to meet you. Nice to meet you.
JD, how are you?
JD, what's going on, man? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Are we ready?
Oh, let's go.
Oh my gosh, look at you. How are you, man? Welcome. Wearing all black?
Really?
How are you? Oh, no, we got home.
Okay.
What's happening, man?
Excited to meet you in person, man.
What's going on? Shorter in person?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's freaking go.
He said he was going to give it to you the whole week.
No, Topstep Trader House, man. Here we go. Walk up, do a little tour, and
Get here in person.
What you thought I was fat?
Topstep is a future-specific online prop firm. Favorite part about working with Topstep is getting, I'm a coach, right? So getting our traders to realize their potential.
3 bedrooms up here. Essentially, this is Topstep's first office, so check this out.
Oh, there we go. Is this the confession room?
That is a confession.
This is the confession room.
All right, so
Did we import this chair, or was this already here?
This guy Dakota is such an asshole in person. He's such an asshole in person.
There's your bunk beds.
Yeah, pool table, swag for you guys, of course. Chest, I know you like that. TV, make yourself at home.
This is sick. This is.
We didn't get like our names embroidered on the back.
Spoiled breads.
This is just one more bedroom up here? It is. So this is what you guys are gonna fight me for?
Closest to the center in darts.
Jay, I'm not gonna lie, there was a year where I made more money throwing darts at the bar across the street from the Board of Trade than I did actually trading.
Oh, we're going to the roof, all right.
There's a rooftop. There's a rooftop. Come on, man. Normally you like start a company in like a shitty garage, but this is like, it's a pretty nice spot.
He was a pretty good trader, so I mean, yeah.
He was a pretty good
He's gonna hear you say "was," Jay.
Yeah.
I wonder how many times have you guys fell down those stairs drunk?
I need some sunglasses.
You said there's a casino here, right?
There is.
Is there?
Okay, that's what we gotta go do that.
pretty
Yeah, there's a casino here. The way I got started with Topstep TV was I did a little bit of futures trading, me and a group of friends, but ultimately we had a bet. And so the bet was if we could find a prop firm and first one to get funded and take a payout wins. So I spent probably a good week looking into prop firms, came up with Topstep. Topstep was #1 for all of us. It wasn't even close, to be honest. And so decided to trade, get a payout, and then I was done. But I had a team member reach out to me and say, hey, Dakota, do you want to become a coach? And I'm like, oh, I don't really have the time to do it. But decided, sure, why not? It sounds like it could be fun. It sounds like I could kind of pay it forward.
Trade? Yeah. Did I trade yesterday? I traded today on the flight. Yeah, I took a quick scalp in the NASDAQ. Yeah.
On the plane?
Yeah, yeah. Shout out to Topstep X.
And Wi-Fi winner?
And plain Wi-Fi. Plain Wi-Fi was $8. Right. Made $400 on the trade, so it was a good investment.
Dang. Okay.
If I leave it, then I go.
Bedroom. Here's the game. One dart per person, close to the bullseye. Gets the first pick, second closest, second pick, third, fourth.
Bears up first, not the bunk.
Pressure's on.
What if I did?
Show me that.
All right.
It goes Jay, Dakota, JD, and Baron.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Jay?
All right. I'm gonna take that one down there.
The first pick in the...
Man, I don't know
you really?
what's.
I'm gonna take that one. Yeah.
All right, I'll take
Yeah.
take the pant.
Taking this
I'll
bedroom
take the
down here.
pant.
I'll take the in-suite downstairs.
I'll get the scrap.
Using this for the flight back home. Stay real comfortable. Definitely taking a nap after all the stuff that Danielle has on the itinerary for us.
No time, gotta go. Left out, I mean my song. Yeah, you know I keep it quiet like a sleep.
Let's go. Penthouse. I low-key, I didn't tell anybody, I was on the dart league for 2 years. Make sure you get a good shot of them. Taking the L. Taking the L. All right.
Here we go. Welcome home.
A little bit smaller of a room, but I think we'll be a little bit quieter down here. So could be better at darts. That's the moral of the story.
The first 6 months of this year have been absolutely crazy. Quit my job.
Quitting. I'm just making too much money outside of this.
My mindset was like, I can fuck up my 20s, but I have to be taking risks, because if I take risks in my 20s and I do well with it, then my 30s and my 40s are gonna be easy. So it's just like, there's just been a bunch of crazy opportunities. If you keep doing something, you're going to have an opportunity pop up in some capacity, but like you have to do the thing every fucking day.
We were saying we should have taken bets on who we had to wait for the longest, and it's the guy with the biggest wardrobe.
That's why you got the biggest room.
He's matching
What were you doing, Dakota?
chilling.
We're waiting for you. We've been waiting here for like 10 minutes.
You ever golfed before?
Nope. First time for everything.
Yeah?
All right, who's up?
I mean, okay, I haven't hit.
All right.
Let's go, Baron.
Did we get tees or no?
No, you don't need tees.
Oh.
That's $5.
Good start. Good start.
Good start.
Hey, it's been a long time and I miss the feeling. It feels like freedom, it feels like healing. Floating off the floor, past the ceiling. The wind in my hair, I can see it in the crowd.
Yeah, right?
In the crowd.
Not even in sport mode.
In the
Man,
crowd.
I'm feeling like myself again. Man, I'm feeling like myself again. It's been a long time and I miss this feeling.
Damn.
I got good by the end.
No, I was just, that was a practice swing. That was a practice swing.
Now we're gonna go to the zoo, put Dakota in his natural habitat for a little while. Can't believe we're at the fucking zoo. What are we doing? Background, I got started in the futures industry very early age. My father was a commodity futures trader for many, many years. Topstep has broken down the barriers of entry for what used to be a very exclusive industry. What used to cost somebody $50,000 just to get started, you can now get into for basically 50 bucks.
I haven't seen any animals.
BYOA. Bring your own animals to the zoo.
It says, animals temporary off exhibit. Gotta be kidding me.
The zoo was lacking on animals today. We saw a couple signs that said, what did that one say?
It's not in here.
Animals off display today.
Is the city just like out of funding?
They gotta take naps. They gotta take naps too.
All right,
Dakota, it is hot as fuck out here. Why are you in sweats?
It's time for an ice cold Miller like
Why are you in
that.
sweats, Dakota?
Do you have swamp ass yet?
No, doggy, we're getting out of here.
Yeah, let's get a happy hour drink.
Hey. Trade for the gap close. Trade for the gap close.
Yeah, I can see it.
No,
I can see that.
I'm sure the NASDAQ.
We said we were gonna go grab a drink.
We wanted a beer. It was too hot. You guys were dragging us around the zoo.
And now we're in trades, talking markets.
Yeah. We're inversing each other.
Yeah. I'm short 5 minis.
I'm long.
Nice and cool in here.
Yeah.
I'm long one. I'm long one.
Yeah, Baron's fading me.
As usual. All right. So this is first day in Chicago. We're about to go to dinner
Dakota, for some reason, packed 2 bags. So he's packing like a woman for a 4-day trip. I think he only has sweats. I don't know what kind of fit he's wearing, but it's gonna be atrocious. I already know.
Yeah, it's a rite of passage in Chicago that you have a shot of Malort. It might be your first and last, but it might be your first of many more to come. It's just
what are the top 3 flavor profiles of Malort? Malort tastes like grapefruit rind that's been filtered through city water after a bad rainfall, after the taxis have splashed the mud in it.
Malort tastes like regret.
I don't think it's that bad. It's just extremely, extremely bitter.
Oh, Malort? I mean, if someone's giving you a glass of Malort, it means they love you enough to have you suffer a little bit. So it's great. I love it.
Andre, what does Malort taste like?
Bad, like diesel, like gas. It's not for, I mean, I don't want to ruin it for them. They might like it. I mean, they like it.
It's kind of like the aftertaste when you've just finished vomiting after eating like 7 hot dogs. It's got like that rubber fire kind of aroma to it. People say it is a fruity bouquet. I think that's total bullshit. But I think they're gonna enjoy it.
You guys ready?
What? Oh yeah.
Welcome to Chicago. Cheers.
Wait, where's Dakota?
Salute, what's that?
Is Dakota duck?
Oh, you're not taking it. Wait, you're.
Whoa.
You're not taking a Malort shot either.
This is brown.
Not bad at all.
All right, I will if Jay did.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, God.
First impression, you get that kind of liver bile aftertaste.
First impression will be my last impression. It tastes like black licorice that was sitting in vinegar, and it burns.
I think it's like if you take like a beer mat filled with liquid and you just put it in a shot glass. Like, that's not good. I don't know why you would drink that.
It's actually not that bad.
Really?
No.
No, it's herbaceous.
Some people really enjoy it.
All right, yeah. So I don't have any prepared remarks at all, but honestly, thank you guys so much for coming out to this. I know this is like gnarly, we've never done like anything like this, but you guys are the absolute shit. And Topstep TV, let's go. Where the hell is the edge?
Of course I'm getting surprised again.
All right, go ahead, man. Do it for real now.
Just good to see you boys. Trade it up.
There you go. Cheers.
We're about to go to dinner. Had a good day overall. Just flew in, private chef. MP's got a sick fucking crib. Don't know if I can curse. I'm sure they'll blur that out, but overall it's solid so far. I'm interested to see what this dinner's like, but it's cool meeting everyone in person. Jay was shorter than I expected. Dakota was taller than I expected. Andre's got more gray hair than I was expecting. Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, it's good to see you. Dakota, you should try to trade the bill with this. See if you can
trade the bill with dinner. We could do that. Open up the house account. Where's the house? Who has the house? You have the house account? We have keys to the house account.
You long in the house?
We're gonna pay for the dinner trading the house account.
Can you make more trading at dinner?
Can we make the bill on dinner? I like this long gold, dude. I'm
Good
looking.
idea.
Wait, yeah.
Let's put this on here.
Yeah, confirm. We have 7 minutes left till the top of the hour.
Who's showing up?
We just got long at 10 lot. S&P right now.
Get out of here. Are you serious?
Yeah, 60-42. Keep your camera on that right now. 10 long. We're in. I just covered dinner, boys. From 60-40, trading 60-50, whatever, 1,700.
That's what, $5 grand?
$1,700. $1,700. Yeah.
Whatever.
Dinner.
Real life
Dinner.
problem is 1,700.
Yeah, Barry.
Yeah.
Gotta be fucking to the teeth with you. Can a guy just make up a number and say it's this? What his story is, I got the fucking dinner. Ooh, I like that.
Day
one, everyone's in the house. That's a wrap. Day one. Let's go. Tomorrow's big day.
What do I want to say? All right, first impressions. All right, so we got Dakota. Bit of a diva. I wasn't expecting that too much. I thought he was a tough guy.
My luggage, it took a late flight. It just got here. You can see I'm not wearing any undershirts.
Baron, solid dude, great trader, awesome dude.
Excuse me again. I don't know, it's crazy seeing it in person when like last year I was a viewer of the show. I would watch like Dakota on Topstep TV or MP or even Andre, and it's like they're the same people in person as they are online, which I don't think you find a lot of. Overall, just really solid. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but
Coach is the one guy that he's exactly how I pictured he would be in real life. When you see someone on air, you're hanging out on air. This guy's awesome, you know, like if we grew up on the same block, we would have been lifelong best friends, you know. That's kind of the guy Jay is.
I'm excited. Again, there's still a lot more for us to do. We're gonna go trade in the offices tomorrow, make it a little bit more real, hopefully make a little bit of money. But it should be a good time. It's been a good time so far. I'll see you guys in the confessional. I'm gonna finish this glass of wine, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.